soldering, dispensing, laser applications, the beauty industry, Many countries have legal requirements on providing clean air in the workplace. Harmful substances must be removed from the air to prevent them from damaging workers' health. The personal dangers posed by not using an extraction system or not replacing filters in good time are serious. The smaller the particles, the deeper they can penetrate into the respiratory system, and therefore the greater the health risk they pose. The potential consequences are obvious. The yellow area shows how far pollen can penetrate into the lungs. The depth to which cigarette smoke or asbestos can penetrate is shown in orange. The fumes emitted when using lead-free solder contain suspended solids that can penetrate deep into the red area shown here. Weller FT's advanced extraction systems and filter systems counteract these effects. Replacing the filter is quick and easy. Weller FT filter systems have a pre-filter and a main filter. Provided these are replaced regularly, they provide your working environment with optimum protection against emissions. You can write the date on the sticker provided every time you replace the filter. This enables you to keep track of your system's overall condition.